You want to send daily digest emails in Zapier. I'll show you exactly how. Open your browser, go to zapier.com and sign in. The dashboard loads, you'll see your existing Zaps if you have any. Click the Create button in the top left, then choose Zaps from the drop-down. The Zap editor opens with a blank trigger step. This is where we tell Zapier what data to collect throughout the day. I'm going to use a Google form for new leads, but you pick whatever app you're using. Click the trigger step to set it up. A panel slides out listing all your connected apps. In the search bar at the top, type Google Forms. Once it pops up, click the icon. Now choose the trigger event. For a form, you want new response in spreadsheet that fires each time someone submits. Select that. If your Google Forms account isn't connected yet, you'll see a connect button. Click it, log in, and authorize. Then pick your form from the dropdown, plus the specific spreadsheet and worksheet. Click Continue. Now we're on the test trigger screen. Zapier wants to pull in a sample submission. Click the test trigger button. If no data is found, that's common, it'll tell you. Just open your form in another tab, submit a dummy entry real quick, then come back and test again. Once data comes through, you'll see all the fields from your form: name, email, your custom questions. I always use realistic sample data because that's exactly what you'll map later. Click the plus icon below the trigger to add an action step. In the app search, type Digest by Zapier and select it. Then choose the action event. You want Append Entry and Schedule Digest. That's the piece that collects events and holds them until go time. Click Continue. Now configure the digest itself. First, give it a name. I always rename mine immediately, otherwise you'll end up with a dozen unnamed digests and no clue which is which. Type something like Daily Lead Summary. Next, the entry content. This is what gets tacked onto each collected item. Click into the field, and from the Insert Data dropdown, map the fields from your trigger. I grab the name, email, and the message or inquiry. I separate them with a dash and a line break, keeps it scannable. You can add static labels too, like from, before the name field. Scroll down to the schedule section, choose every day unless you want weekdays only. I set mine to 8:30 a.m. Pacific, so it's ready when I start my day. Pick your preferred time and time zone. If you want an end-of-day recap, 5 p.m. works well. Click Continue. The digest step is done. It will now store any incoming events. There's no email test here because it's just a queue. You'll see a success message in the test panel. Now we need to send the email. Add another action, hit the plus icon again. Search for your email app. I'm using Gmail. Select it, then choose Send Email. If this is your first time connecting Gmail, click the Connect button, log in, and allow Zapier access. Once connected, click Continue. Now build the email. In the To field, type your own email address. For the subject, I use something like Daily Digest, then I insert a static label, New Leads, and the digest name from the Insert Data dropdown. Keeps things clear. The body is where the magic happens. Click into the body field, then from the Insert Data dropdown, find your digest step and select Digest Content. That one field expands into all the collected entries for the day. Above that, I type a heading, here's what came in today, then hit Enter and insert the digest content below it. You can also add a date stamp using the built-in Date field. Click Continue. Now test this action. Click the Test Step button. Zapier will generate a sample email using your test data and send it to your Gmail. Go check your inbox. You'll see an email with your test entry formatted exactly how you set it up. If the spacing looks off or a field is missing, go back and tweak the body. I often adjust the heading and line breaks right here. Once you're happy you're ready to publish, click the Publish button on the right. Give your Zap a descriptive name, something like Google Forms, Daily Digest Email. Then flip the switch to On. The Zap is live and collecting. Any new form submissions will queue up silently and go out in one email at 8:30 a.m. To verify everything end-to-end, I submit 2 or 3 more test entries right after publishing. When the scheduled time hits, I open my inbox and see all of them grouped in a single digest. That's the best way to know it's working exactly as intended. If this helped you set up your digest, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment saying it helped. That's how more people find this. Thanks.